Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can use the reverse button in CapCut PC. Alright, you can use the reverse button to make your video, to make a reversing your video, right? You can add a video you like to edit to the tag, and you can see my original video like this. Now I'm going to reverse the video. Just click on the reverse button right here and just wait for reversing the clip according to the duration of the video. You can see for the final result. So yeah, alright. So super simple. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe. If you have any question, please leave in the comment section below. Thank you so much for watching.